Building wealth on a low income might feel impossible, but here's the truth. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you use what you have. In this video, I'll share simple, actionable steps to grow your wealth, even with limited resources. Stick around until the end, and you'll see how small changes can lead to big results. The first step is to change how you think about money. Many believe wealth is only for people with high incomes, but that's not true. Wealth is built through consistent habits, no matter your starting point. Start by asking yourself empowering questions like, how can I make this work? Rather than saying, I can't afford it. Small steps taken daily build momentum. For example, saving just $1 a day grows into $365 a year. Add interest, and it's even more. Patience and persistence are key. Wealth is not instant, it's a slow, steady climb. Now, let's talk about budgeting. A budget gives you control over your money. Start by tracking all your expenses for 1 month. Every dollar counts. Log them into apps like Mint or YNAB. This helps you see where your money is going and identify areas to cut back. A popular rule is the 50-30-20 method. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. But if your income is tight, adjust the percentages to fit your situation. The point is to save something, even if it's just a little. Cutting expenses doesn't mean living poorly, it means spending smarter. Look for areas where you can reduce costs without sacrificing too much. Cancel subscriptions you don't use, buy items in bulk, and use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey. Transportation and housing are big expenses. Can you carpool, take public transit, or share living spaces? Every small adjustment adds up over time. While saving is important, increasing your income can accelerate your wealth-building journey. There are countless side hustle opportunities these days. Freelancing, tutoring, or selling products online are great options. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy allow you to monetize your skills. If you're employed, explore ways to earn more, ask for a raise, apply for promotions, or even switch to higher-paying jobs. At the same time, invest in yourself by learning new skills, like coding, graphic design, or digital marketing. These skills can significantly boost your earning potential. Once you start saving and earning more, make your money work for you through investing. You don't need a lot to start. Platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, or Vanguard let you invest with as little as $10. Focus on long-term growth by investing in index funds or ETFs, which are low-cost and diversified. If your employer offers a 401k with matching, take advantage of it. That's free money you don't want to leave on the table. Consistency is key. Even small, regular investments grow over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. So, building wealth on a low income boils down to 5 things: shifting your mindset, budgeting wisely, cutting unnecessary expenses, increasing your income, and investing for the future. Remember, wealth is a journey, not a destination. The sooner you start, the better. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.